Sunday morning. Just doing any final touches and then I'm gonna head off to church. I kind of get the feeling today is gonna be chill. I love that the clocks fell back. And I had daylight earlier this morning because I'm such an early riser. But I woke up at like 3 a.m. this morning with like severe back pain and what do you call it? A migraine, like a pounding migraine. But I'm going to church regardless. Took a leave when I got up. It's a little better, but it's not like gone. But we're gonna make it work. So we're gonna go to church. I'm dressed. I had breakfast. And yeah, so I think my hair's good enough. I'll probably have my sunglasses on anyway because it's sunny out. So we're just gonna go like this today. But yeah, we're gonna head out here in just a minute, go enjoy some church time, and then come back. And I have a few projects I'd like to do, but they're not pertinent, so we'll see if I get to them. A little declutter cleaning situation in the kitchen. But I need to boot scoot for church, so check in with you later.
Don't you wanna know that the time's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roam away? Don't you wanna roam? It's on you to decide.
Out of church. That was very good. We had a visitor. I think his name was Rob Ketterling. He wrote a book called The Generous Life. It was basically about tithing, but about giving more and how God provides for that giving. It was very good and kind of spoke to me because that's something that's been on my mind this year. So I bought his book because you can get it signed. Normally I skip it and just buy it on Amazon, but today I was like, nope, let's buy it and have it signed. But we're gonna head home and find some lunch because I'm starving. Thankfully my headache's gone.
When you're stuck in chains, well, nothing changes. I just wanna run away and with you. I said I just wanna run away with you. Don't you wanna know that the tide's changing? Don't you wanna know that the ride is yours? Don't you wanna roam away? Don't you wanna roam? Don't you wanna lie by the ocean and glide to the places above? Don't you wanna roam away? Don't you wanna roam?
I think I'm gonna like wash some dishes real quick. And then I'm probably gonna sit and watch a movie for a little while.
I'll go where the wind goes, and I'll go where the wind goes.
made dinner. I ended up just having a really, really chill day. Watched Courageous, broken up, talking to family, and just took it easy. So I had those two things on my to-do list that I wanted to knock out. The pantry and the utensil drawer. So I think I will at least film that stuff tomorrow when I do it. It'll be intermittent because I do have 2 appointments tomorrow, but I will catch you guys on Monday. Good morning. It's the next day. I just ran to the chiropractor and to the post office to get Christmas stamps. I'm going to do this utensil drawer, get my workout, and then I gotta prep some lunch and then shower before my next appointment. So let's get this utensil drawer. I'm just pulling everything out, reorganizing. If there's anything that has to go, I'll pull it. All right, this is the drawer I'm talking about. It's just gotten to be such a cluster of too much stuff, and it's hard to find anything. I would say that's much better. Kind of got utensils, mocktail, spatulas, whisks, tongs, random stuff I don't use often, chip bags, the main utensils, lemon squeezer, ice cream, cheese grater / whatever grater, pizza cutter, can opener, and then the peeler. This is more baking, I would assume, like pastry brush, the uneven thing, scoop, and then my measuring cups, all of the more like mixing attachments, and then all my KitchenAid stuff. At the back, I just kind of put the things I don't use all the time, like cutters, the garlic press, because I've been using the frozen one most often, twine, thermometer, that kind of thing. In my opinion, that's a lot better. And we've purged these utensils, which I will throw in a donate box to go later. All right, I made lunch and I got ready. I'm about to have to head out soon for my second appointment of the day. But as soon as I get back, we'll start on the pantry, and then that's probably the last thing I'll put in this video. Okay, I'm back from my appointment. I want to do this pantry. I'm just gonna pull everything out, wipe anything down that needs to be wiped, try to condense or throw out anything that's trash, and maybe rework the formatting in there a little bit. I like to do this every year, usually in the fall when I start to use more items out of the pantry, less fresh stuff. Here's what we got for our final product right now. We're gonna try it. I tried to bring the containers down so I can actually see what I got and what might need to be eaten. Canned foods just make sense to be lower heavy weight wise. Up here I have Like this bin is like crouton strips, some long grain rice, pasta, and then there's marshmallows in the back. This will be anything that I'm supposed to eat this week, which I am. Gravy is going to get used for Friendsgiving. I have breadcrumbs and in my ranch seasoning. Snack item, which the nice thing is with it being open, I can push this back now, whereas before it was potentially holding the door open. This is more baked goods. I have a can of pumpkin and then there's just chocolate chips in there. This would be my snack one. So there's like protein, beef sticks, my bars, and then some crackers I like to have just in case I'm sick. And then on this side I have oatmeal, protein oats, and then some coconut. More like a breakfast section, I feel like. Now in my cupboard I always keep peanut butter. This is just something I wanted recently. Mushrooms, diced potatoes I always have on hand. Diced tomatoes I always have on hand. And then I usually try to keep 2 of each vegetable. Right now I have 2 green beans, 1 carrot, 1 corn, excuse me. And then I also have some home-style chicken noodle soup. There's 3 cans of those that are heart healthy, just in case I ever get sick. Same thing with the crackers. Also try to keep Vernors or ginger ale on hand, which is over there right now. Vernors I have to get family usually to ship down. I did find one Food Line down here that had it on hand, but nothing compares to that when it comes to a stomach ache or not feeling good. It just works way better. So I have my Vernors for now. Yeah, we're gonna try this out. We'll see if it works. It might irritate me with the containers on the bottom. We'll see. We'll try this out for a little bit and then go from there. But I think is where I'm going to wrap this video up, because I wanted to get these 2 tasks done with you guys, and I know I didn't get to it yesterday because I was being very chill. But I do hope that you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.